Welcome to BPlanMaker.com. Are you thinking about starting your own bowling alley? You can already picture the business you want to build, but turning that idea into a professional business plan takes time, research, and a lot of financial planning. And that's where a lot of people are getting stuck. That's why we created a complete, editable bowling alley business plan. It follows the approved format recommended by the SBA, and it covers your products and services, operations, marketing, management, and 3 years of financial projections. You can see how we quickly scrolled through that. You just simply replace the sample details with your business name, location, pricing, and numbers, and then shape it around your vision. So don't let the paperwork keep your business stuck in the idea stage. I'll drop the link in the description. You can download the complete plan today and start turning your idea into an actual business. You have the idea, the plan is ready. It's time to take the next step.